हेलो स्टूडेंट, वेलकम टू H2K लेक्चर। प्रीवियस लेक्चर हमने सिलेबस इंट्रोडक्शन देखा था रिगार्डिंग H2K। ओके, तो रेफरेंस बुक फॉर H2K, फर्स्ट रेफरेंस बुक इज सॉफ्टवेयर टेस्टिंग प्रिंसिपल टेक्निक्स एंड टूल्स बाय M.G. Limay, and second reference book you can use software testing principles and practices by Srinivasan and Gopal Swami. So previously we saw SDLC, software development life cycle. Now we start with the testing introduction. So what is testing? So testing is the process of evaluating a system or its component with the intent to find whether it satisfies the specified requirement or not. Take an example, you want to buy a car. Okay, so this is the general example, not regarding to software testing. Suppose you want to buy a car, so you go to showroom and test drive various car. In that you check the performance of your car, such as the acceleration, then mileage, then costing. So there are different parameter you are testing. Another example, suppose you want to buy a mobile or any laptop. So there are various specification present for the laptop, such as 2 GB RAM, then hard disk size, then monitor size, then similar to mobile. So in this you are testing the mobile or laptop for your comfortness, so how they are useful to you. Then next, testing is executing a system in order to identify any gaps, errors or missing requirement in opposite to the actual requirement. So take example here, suppose you want to buy a laptop and your requirement you have to use suppose you have to use software such as CAD CAM. So for CAD CAM you required at least 8 GB RAM, then graphics card. So you are going to test whether the any laptop having that configuration. So with the help of testing you are identifying any gaps, errors or missing requirement. If any requirement is missing, then you avoid that product. Then related to software testing, what is software testing? Software testing is a process of executing a program or application with the intent of finding the software bugs. So here bugs means any fault in your application. Suppose you want to design a calculator, okay, and in calculator suppose you want to add 2 plus 2, so it give the result, suppose it give result 5. So this is the bug in your software. So in software testing we are finding the bugs in your software. So here are more definition on software testing. So it can also be stated as a process of validating and verifying that a software program or application or product. So what is software testing? It is a validation and verification. As already I told, calculator, suppose you want to design a calculator, then following things must be considered while designing the calculator. First thing is it meet the business and technical requirement that guided its design and development. So we already saw the HDLC cycle. In HDLC, first phase is requirement gathering. So in requirement gathering, customer already specify various technical requirement to you. So according that technical requirement, you have to design your system. Second is work as expected or not. Suppose you want to divide 10 divided by 2, so answer is expected is 5. So it works on your requirement. So given expected requirement or not, you have to check. Then third is can be implemented with some characteristics. Okay, so what are the characteristics required for the calculator that must be included? So in short, software testing is a process of validating and verification. Okay, next point is why software testing necessary. So following are the points important for software testing. So first point is to point out the defects and errors that were made during development phases. So while development there are many defects occur or errors created by the developer. So for identification of this error, you have to use a software testing. So this is the first reason. Then second, it makes sure of the customer's reliability and their satisfaction in the application. So customer reliability, suppose you are using Paytm app and that app hang every time. Suppose you are making payment through Paytm, so the reliability for that app is less. But now if you are using Paytm and the amount is transferred to correct account, so the reliability for that app is increased. So customer reliability is also matters lot. So with the help of software testing, it's sure that the customer reliability is take care. Then third, it is very important to ensure the quality of the product. Okay, so with the help of testing, we can check the quality of product. Then next, testing is required for an effective performance of software application. So if you want to check the performance of your software, then you have to do software testing before hand over to customer. Then it required to stay in the business. Suppose you are delivering software without testing that and that software contains some bug. Okay, so your product is fail in market, so that you can't continue in market. So stay in business, you have to perform the software testing. So these are the important point for that software testing is required. So again I am repeating. First point, to point out the defect or errors. Second point, make sure customer reliability. Then third point, for the quality product you have to do testing. Then fourth, then for the effective performance, and last point, stay in business.